Welcome back to GregTech New Horizons. Last time we got the beginning of the AE2 system set up, got 10 4K cells, 10 4K fluid cells, and a nuclear reactor powering the setup. And today the plan is to build various EV machines over here and also replace some of the machines here and connect these up to the system. To have the goal is basically to first automate the recipes to make the AE2 components. And once that is done, and we can request all the AE2 components automatically, we can expand the system, build, for example, a universal ACR setup, and expand from there. So, first thing, we need more EV machine hoods. I want to also get the wait, where is it? Molecular assemblers done. Then we need dual interfaces, and we need the wireless connectors to go into the clean room. And I think we should start with the clean room thing. Let's see how many interfaces. Just one. Actually, I will do everything first that I don't need dual interfaces for. And that is for the mixer. I actually also need dual interface to make the flux dust. We need a wire mill for the quartz fiber and a lathe. A lathe is the lathe is already set up. So the next thing is a wire mill and a mixer, for example. EV page is over here. That means mixer. I think I need to make this one anyway. And the wire mill. But I think actually that this wire mill is maybe it is actually a better idea to use the HV wire mills. The bending machines, if I upgrade them to EV, they are not wasted because I can make the multi-block later with these. So if I make two... Oh, this one is also a forming press, and I was planning to make forming presses. Wait a second. This multi-block requires material press machine casings. Which are tantalloy. That is tantalum, probably, with tungsten and tantal. Wait, can I? Yes, nichrome coils. I mean, can I make two of these? Because the thing is, for the forming press, I was planning to build one forming press for each recipe, like one for each of the presses. But of course, having a multi-block makes that way easier. I can wall share another multi-block for the bending machine. How about we make and then use HV energy hedges. They can run in HV, that's fine. I mean 600% speed. 4 parallels per voltage tier. That means I can connect. I can maybe build the multi-block over here. These both. Have the AE2 system come over here and connect to the multi-blocks. And also connect to these two wire mills. Yeah, so let's do that actually, because the forming presses and the bending machines are needed for all these. Where was the page? All of these here, the logic processors. I need to make silicon solar grade plates, gold plates. These are with the compressor. Is the large electric compressor is done within EV machine? Okay, we can make an EV compressor and then later on the this EV machine, the multi-block. So let's make this one as well. Cable diode we also need for the clean room. Okay. But let's see, let's make a new page for the industrial material press. 2 of them. And we need, of course, 2 maintenance hedges, 2 muffler hedges. Wait, is it 480 pollution per second? Okay. Then we need, of course, we just need 1 output hedge. That can be an LV output hedge. Bus, I mean, of course. Let's make. So we want for the forming press, let's make 5 different inputs, like 1 for each inscriber, and then another one for the other recipes. And the bending machine, I want to have circuit 1, I think circuit 2. What was I think circuit 3 and circuit 9. The dense one was circuit 9, okay. And is there something like triple compressed? No. What was the reactor? The lead thing. That was dense. That is circuit 9. Yeah, okay, so circuit 1, circuit 2, circuit 9, I guess. And the other ones we can just add as we and circuit 10 for the foils. Okay. And then we need, I would guess, 9 of them are going to be shared. Let's make 30. I think 30 should be enough. The Tumbaga's cheap. The only thing that might be expensive is the tantalite because of the tantalum. I don't know. 46 tungsten? Wait a minute. I think I can't make the tungsten ingot yet because, okay, I need an EV vacuum freezer. Let's quickly fix that for right now by doing this. And bring this one here. Ah, no. That is 2 amps. Now it needs 4 amps. Actually, so we need to do something like that. We need wait, what kind of cables am I using? Blue? Blue alloy, yeah. Blue alloy cables, nice. Still have 2. Okay. And then we need to borrow 2 of these machines here. That is just now to get the tungsten dust once. Then I can build that back. Let's turn this one off so it's not going to be used. And this one too. Oh no, this is anyway because I broke the multi-block. Then put the benzene. Is that gonna work? Yes. And how much benzene is that pulling? Okay, so we should be able to make the 8 tungsten, which is enough tungsten dust, which I hopefully can just get by macerating, right? Yeah, probably. Yeah, should be fine. And the tantalum, 127. So that's completely fine. 46. And here we need 4 tungsten. The mixing was done on circuit 12. And then we will have 3 EBFs running for now. I also made some stainless steel, since I need to get started with the oil cracking setup as well. But let's see if we're gonna do that today. Okay, that's enough. Next thing, macerator. Where did you put? Oh no. And then mix it. I actually also had to disconnect the benzene here. I was running solo on benzene because I had turned on both of my turbines in the background that the entire system crashed. Okay. $50 Tandaloy. And you were which circuit? Doesn't matter. And actually you need more over here. Yeah, good. Then Tumbaga. That there was gold dust and copper dust. Gold dust, copper dust. Circuit 12. Let's make a bunch of that. That's the long rods and Tumbaga frames. That means we need 120 rods, so 60 ingots. That's that. Okay. And you should be going, yes. And then titanium plates. By titanium plates, I got a lot. I prepared a lot of titanium plates. And we need some EV machine casings. What's that? Oh, casings, not hulls. Okay. But for these hulls, let's go back here. Get 2 of these. The thing is now, though, the auto crafting thing is not working in here. We got AV machine holes in here still. I guess I made some already. Let's make 8 motors. And 4 pistons. Oh, that was, I think, titanium small gears. Okay, you're doing fine. Make some rods. Maybe I need to make some titanium rods as well. Let's see. Oh no, 52, okay. And then we should be able to make 2 of these. Good. That means after we pick up machine hulls, casings, we can make 2 of these. There was probably a quest, right, for that? More bender, more bending. Okay. LV machine hulls. Let's see. Anything LV? Nothing. Steel plates. Let's make more plates and tin cables. Then we need 9 chests. No, wait, we need, yeah, 9 chests for that, but we actually need more AV machine hulls. And let's go make the input. Huh? Why are you not? Alright, first. I guess I need more tin cables as well. Is that enough to... So 5, yeah, okay. For now that's enough. Then we're gonna build that over here. Connect them to this wire here. Oh, we need actually 2 MV energy hatches. No, HV, I mean. There is no stainless. Let's make some machine hulls. Okay. Then muffler hatches. I have to make 2. Oh, no. That's fine. Bronze rotor and bronze pipe. So some rotors and some pipes. I always need these. Are you okay? You are almost out of power. And how many to go? 18. Okay, I guess that's gonna be fine. And more rods. Ah, HV extruder for this one. So if I make the AV one, it's not worth it. Then HV extruder. More Tumbaga. This dust. Oh no, this is just for Tumbaga ingots. So we need to go to the HV page. And make 2 energy hatches. And extruder HV. So what about the high voltage coils? Then energetic alloy. I guess I now need just 4. And magnetic steel. Wait, where are you? These were gold wires, I think. Good cables. Almost no more cables. Okay, these 3 are good for now. No, wait, 2 HV machine rods we need. Some of the gold cable we need as well. Low power ICs 4. Then coolant, I guess. Do I have a 10K? Yes. That makes that easier since I still have some coolant in here. And then these pumps. So let's make 3 motors. And 2 pumps. Stainless steel and steel rotor. So some rotors. And some pipes. So, wait, what was missing now? Ah, the steel rotor. That is all for the hatch, right? Okay. Then we need stainless steel. Yeah, you are not able to be processed here. Embargo. Okay. Electric piston. I need Kanthal wire. Wait, what? Yeah, that's... Ah, I have Kanthal ingots. Nice. Then we can already land this by... One can go here. This one here. Next one here. Then you go here. Okay. Then we need to make... first of all, extruder done. You can go here. Get this one. And make some rods. Alright. Then let's go back. Muffler hatch. Wait, did I already make another one? Yeah, okay, good. And the maintenance hatch by doing that. Then adhere press machine casings. So long Tembaga rods, we need 60 of that. First of all, we need... Oh, I think... Yeah, I needed more of the rods. But I guess I have enough Tembaga. So we need exactly 120 for the frames. Where's my wrench? Here. Let's move the barrel here. Item auto output. Like so. And the hopper on top. Then we need 120 titanium plates. I just pick some from here. Let's also screwdriver. Let's make the output hatch. And I guess I put that here. And then let's get some. So the center, is the center empty? Yes. So this one here will be empty. Then the muffler hatch. Muffler hatch I will put here. I guess that's fine, right? They can go any side. Yeah. Maintenance hatches can also go here in the bottom. But the inputs, so 5 for the forming press, 3 for the material bender, bending, forming press. Oh my, they take super long. But anyway, we also need to have some dense cables. I made a lot of covered cables, and these need to be combined. Circuit 24, okay. Hey, MC Tim. Welcome back. I'm in the process of upgrading some processing machines, like the bending machine at forming press with multi-blocks. And above here is the start of my AE2 system. So another dense cable will go over here, connect to the bending machine and forming press. And the goal is to automate all the AE2 components. Very nice. Thanks. It's gonna go crazy. Like right now, still basically everything is manually crafted. But the goal is for today to I also actually need to make some crafting processors. Goal is for today basically that I can order these components here and interfaces. Then that makes everything way easier. Cables as well. So this one, yeah, we just need the normal rods. Just have to wait until that's done. But is anything missing? We got the energy hatch. Yeah. Everything done. That means for this one here, we will have the inscribers in here. plus the other one in here that combines stuff. And I think I have to does this? I'm not sure if... I hope it treats these buses individually. That if I put... I mean, for the presses, that doesn't really matter. Putting golden plates in here will only work with the logic press, for example. But I don't know. Definitely, I need this for the material, for the bending machine. Since we have circuit 1 here, circuit 2, and circuit 3, circuit 9. Oh, and circuit 10. One input bus is missing. LV. Oh, I got one more, nice. Chest. Okay, Tambaga is processing. Let's get the circuit 10. Then let's get some cable. And here in the middle, a dense one that goes up here. How many right, just one interface. Yeah, need to make more anyway. Actually, let's make one. I think I made some 4K. No, I didn't. Did I plan that here? Yeah, here. So I was gonna make 3 crafting storages, I mean, and 6 crafting core processors. Let's get these done. Yeah, I guess I can just make them like this. Any quest? Yes, this one. And then I just need to combine them with the 4K storage component, which microprocessors, NAND chip, and item processors. And the circuit board, and the rest is a molten soldering alloy. Okay. And the other thing we need is the engineering processor. How are they in the assembler? So first this one is also done. Let's Get the hammer. And then oh, what's happening here? Okay. And then the wait, 8. Oh, I had some Tumbaga frames. That is good in case these are not enough. Ah, these are. That's good. Right. The maintenance. Bombing press. Bending machine. Let's get some steel, for example. I think steel plates, I didn't have any. And plates were bending machine, circuit 1. Let's go. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. That is so much faster. That is insane. Okay, we can basically... I'm gonna keep them in case we need another circuit. Since I have now... Yeah. 1, 2, 9, 10. But I can still add 2 more, I guess. And also on the side here. Okay. That's perfect. I guess the forming press is also gonna work. I don't really need to test that. But let's get how am I gonna do that? Oh no, let's actually put the dense cable over here. This entire system is anyway gonna change once I have an easy way to make all the components. And then all right. Wait, a bit more. And bring the coprocessors. Okay. Oh no, where am I going? So here another having 3 of them. That's that should be enough for the beginning. That means we could test now the Certus quartz rod. Let's request 10. Yes, that's working. Perfect. This need better coils. Then I hope just enough wood gets used up. Not here. Here. And then we also need to connect these wire mills. So the dense cable is here. Right. No, it's not there, but it's fine. Can also go connect here. Forming crisp we don't need. This compressor. I'm gonna make an EV1. But we could use this assembler, for example, for polyethylene stuff for now. We got 2 chemical reactors here, but no, I'm gonna make a universal setup. Arc furnace is maybe important. Let's put the arc furnace over here. And you all need to turn around. Like that. Then let's remove these. Polarizer is actually also good. Then the extruder as well. And this mixer as well. Since mixer I need so many of with various circuits, so I can just use this one for now as well. Extruder, polarizer, mixer. And I have to check. I think circuit 2 is pretty useful. And for the other things, I'm gonna make EV mixers. I think the multi-block is IV or later. All right. That means, yeah, I need, first of all, I need more dense cables. I need more, this can be gone. Six channels. This compressor, yeah, let's use this one for, no, I just said that I'm gonna make the EV one, so let's make that. But probably the assembler over here, the polyethylene assembler. Actually, since I am having already the fluid cells, I can just store polyethylene in the system and use a dual interface on this one here. And I use this one then on circuit 24, maybe for cables. Since I want the circuit 1 here for faster processing of coils, and no, circuit 3 is for SMDs. Yeah, I need to make more. I need to make more of the assembling machines. But okay. First of all, interfaces and dense cable. So cable, and this one I've just built. Don't need that anymore. This one is not the page. Here. We need a lot of EV machine casings. We have, wait, 4. But we need at least 10. Let's make 10. Ah, no, let's make actually like 16. I got the cables. I got, I think, the cores as well. Yeah, I can make exactly 16. Let's get some titanium plates from here. And that means 10. What's missing? Ah, more. Okay, but first, let's start with these. And here we need a dual one for the oxygen. Or we just put, no, actually we can just put a oxygen. We can just fill it up with 64 liters of oxygen, and then that's good. I think it's gonna last for a while. And once the machine stops, just put some more oxygen. Okay, 6 more. That's for the wire mills. Then we need for actually for just getting AE2 components done. We need the, that's laser thing. Need the laser engraver. Otherwise, and we need the chemical reactor. Actually, maybe we should do this in one of these chemical reactors before we get the universal. This one is an assembler recipe. So cable. Like for example, the Eye of Ender and then the charged Certus quartz, stuff like that can be done here. And before that is item auto output. Are they set to item auto output? And screwdriver interface. Okay. Hey, TBM Striker. Is this your first run on GTNH? It's my second one, but I'm almost at the point where I gave up last time. So I was basically the end of EV last time. That I've built everything too small, too less power, always had power fails, always waited too long for what was your reason for leaving? Yeah, because of these. I was planning too less. Basically, I thought I didn't know so much about like how much infrastructure was required. I had just one EBF, one vacuum freezer, a tiny ore processing setup. Yeah, everything, just basically one machine of everything, switching always circuits around and these kind of things. Because I had too less power to build more machines. But this time, that's all different. Dense cables. Oh, so I'm just breaking into MV on my first time though. At what point did you start scaling up things this time around? At MV. First thing I did, instead of one macerator, one purifier, one steam separator, I made 4 macerators, 2 purifiers and 2 separators. That's already for the ore processing. So far, this one was one of the best decisions ever. Like, that was the best thing to do that. I never really need to wait long for ore processing. You need to have steam for that though, to have these running all the time. A bit bigger setup. And the other thing I did in MV is make 4 pyrolyze ovens for making benzene. That was the other thing I did bigger than before. Since last time I played, I did 1 or 2 pyrolyze ovens. And there was not enough benzene. That's the first thing I did in MV. And in HV, what I built is the quad EVF instead of just one EVF. Hey, hypercrafting. I was just explaining some infrastructure I've built in the beginning. And now let's connect the multi-blocks. That needs to be still connected there. Oh no. Missing one cable. And I guess we are out of silicon rubber. Damn it. What was... here I got the recipe. That was made... I think there was a better recipe. I just used this one. Let's do this again. I think this one here was easier, right? (24) methanol, methane, yeah. So let's make for 60,000 chlorine. Cells. We need water. We need methane. That's for chlorine. Methane. Water. Methane. Oh, somehow a quest done. Here, methane. And then water. And then the 15 water. Good. Then circuit 24. Oh, where's the... Let's use the cell for the iron chloride. And methane. What did you build so far in your world then? If you're an MB. Oh, why this? Huh? Wait a minute. Ah, I'm missing the raw silicon. Raw silicon. Okay, then it should work. Oh, thank you. My intentions is this run is learning where I make those mistakes. Then I start again. Ah, yeah. Basically, that was my first run as well. I realized all my mistakes and then focused on correcting these this time. I guess probably this time I'm also gonna make so many mistakes. Then when I start again at some point, I'm gonna probably do many things differently again. And then they're gonna read some patch, and then anyway, everything is different. I've got a row of every LV machine on a steam line using IC2 crops to fuel the coke oven indefinitely, using the creosote for steam and charcoal for a single EBF. Just setting up all processing as it is. Yeah, but this sounds that sounds good. If you have, so for this all processing I have here, I needed to plus, of course, not only all processing. I have some MV machines. I had some NV machines running with steam as well, but I needed a full-size high-pressure boiler running. If you have this build, then you can run this all processing plus other machines all the time. But you need also these huge potent pipes for that. That's gonna be a bit resource intensive to craft these huge pipes. But if you have this kind of boiler running all the time, then that's a good amount of power. So we need this stuff and some sulfur. Let's go. Let's go. Nice. There was the cell here. Okay. We also need patterns. Recipe for patterns. I got here. 15 I have in here. Okay, let's start with these. Was that already all the... Yeah. And that's the dense cable to hook this machine up. Okay, let's test it. Let's test this setup. I guess the amount of parallels 12. But I don't have the resources right now for running these parallels all the time, I think. Let's start with simple recipes, like using okay. I think I just okay, that's fine. So this one, then we need gold plates. And we need we need to in the assembler we need that's for the dual energy hedge. Okay, but that is that, and then did I bring over the cutting machine? Yes. Cutting machine is also normal interface, not a dual one, since I will just keep it filled up with lubricant manually for now. I forgot the and item output. Then here is diamond plates, and we also need to make the compressor still. Right, and the diamond plates, of course, I made on this, and then printed silicon is this, and that is that. We also need these. No, I'm gonna use this one, which is that one, and you is this one. Wait, that was bending machine 1. Then here we got the logic, that is this logic circuit. Silicon, engineering, that is calculation. This one is compressor and compressor. So we need to make the EV compressor. And mixer as well. Mixer we do later. Alright, I need to make motors again. Pistons. Okay, nice. This one. Here are gonna be assemblers, so let's put that on here. Is that? No. Output. This item auto output. Okay. So let's see if we can successfully request a calculation printed calculation circuit. This should go into the compressor. I think this is probably already done, if that worked. Oh, here. Nice, I guess. Yes. Perfect. I'm assuming that the other ones also work, but let's see. That's in the bending machine first. Oh, that was already done. Bending machine was super fast. Yeah, good. Nice. Then we need a fluid extractor. First of all, let's remove this. And yeah, we need a fluid extractor. Better one than the MB version. So compressor's done. EV fluid extractor, that is a bit more annoying to make. I hope we have stuff for the pump. Nah, stainless steel, of course. What's the multi-block fluid extractor? Is that... Oh, that's also an AEV thing. With tungsten steel, though. So... Oh my... That's... what is this one? It's a really nice multi-block, yeah. But sadly, that's probably not gonna fit in here right now. Right, that's the... How high is that? That is 5 plus 4. That is... I mean, I could build it in this kind of corner here, through the roof. Let's see. But first of all, this one is gonna be fast enough. I don't need to have that much fast fluid extraction. If you mouse over the tooltip for the multi-block controller, it gives you dimensions. Plus shift. 5 by 9 by 5. Oh, and then I also can... I mean... Why? This one says 52 casings. This one says 41. Okay. I guess that's the minimum amount. Right, they write that behind that. Yeah, 41 is the solenoids are really pain to make. Wait, not this one. Tier 1. Oh, what is that? And superconductor. Yeah, that is a bit annoying. But anyway, this multi-block, like, when is... Oh no, we are out of EV circuits. But yeah, this multi-block, I think that's not gonna be some... Like the single block machine is probably fast enough for now. First I wanted to make the pump. One thing I wish GT Modern had was more tiered components for multi-blocks. Right. I think only pretty much coils, right, are the tiered thing you can do. I think even glass is not really tier thing, right? Only coils. So we need... and I also need these circuits. Glass can be. Oh, okay. I could make quick EV circuits with these, but but I need anyway a lot more EV circuits since I'm planning to build more. Yeah, okay, no. I wanna build so many. I need to build more assemblers also for the molecular assembler for AE2. So we are going back here to the circuit line. And let's make wait, why, so reset everything to 0, and we want 32. 32 is, I think, good, and not in this capacitor anymore. There's a better recipe. I can use the silicon rubber or the polyvinyl chloride. No, I guess I'm gonna use this one here. Okay, just connect that then. Yeah, that's way cheaper. Can I move this to here? Yeah. So there is probably... What's the best recipe for this one? This one, I guess. I know this. I'm not gonna go here. Where's my chemicals? Here. Oh, I already have that here. So molten polyvinyl chloride. I need... Wait, that's super cheap. I have so much. Yeah, that's super cheap. Then let's make this for 4 ethylenes, 4 hydrochloric acid. One thing, no, just for coils for EBF, ABS cracker, pyro multismelter, extreme killing machine thingy. Is that even in modern GT? If that's in modern GT, I think I've actually never built it. Oh, why are you not? I just mean it uses tiered glass. Even in modern GT. Like here probably, wait, the entity crusher? That's using tiered class, yeah. But is this one in modern Greg tag as well? I forgot. $17,000 oxygen, that is not enough. And here's also almost empty. Not sure about modern, sorry. Modern needs like the so many GTNH features should be. I wish there is something like Star Technology with Create, but has GTNH level of Greek Tech. That would be nice. Tiered glass isn't really a thing in modern. Yeah, I think so. I'm very distracted making 9 Essentia providers using manual infusion. Essentia providers. Ah, I think I saw the quest for that. Ah, so you need more than one for this? I thought this one you just... I have no idea for Formcraft. But so you cannot just place one around like next to the infusion altar and then it's draining all the essentia from the system? Like, or does it need one of the providers per essentia you want and you need, and that's why you're making 9 for the most complicated recipe or something? Wait, first I was... I forgot. Did it? Oh, it's already done. Minor chloride. And you go on circuit 9. And nice. Oh, that's let's get it out with this one. Then we need to make... Okay, you... let's get this one here for a sec. Like so. My B produces 9 essentials, so I use 3 providers for each aviary. 3 by 3 for... okay. So you connect these to the aviary for this, for the essential B or something, right? Essential provider is for machines. Infusion Matrix uses the infusion provider. Infusion provider. Ah, okay. That's... I mean... I don't know if I'm gonna get into Thaumcraft applied energistics soon. I think that's, the last thing I'm gonna do after everything is set up. But I guess it makes the Thaumcraft process so much easier, right? Can you then directly connect something like the Essentia provider to an Alembic and then pump the outputs from the Alembic directly into the system? I waited far too long. I'm at the end of AE3 and only just doing it. I think that's probably what's gonna happen to me as well. So we need the thin, that's circuit one, yeah. And done. Oh my, this is so good. Holy, that's a lot. And then tantalum. We need... Actually, so tantalum, circuit 10, tantalum foil. And for this wire, that's circuit 3. Let's set this up properly. Tantalum, and this one is circuit 10, tantalum. I could technically change... Wait, I'm gonna do the following. I'm gonna change this one to circuit 3. Have this always full with polyethylene. And use this one for now for making the components. So that's correctly set up. That means let's start with SMD capacitors, for example. And we have the tantalum foil. We have the polyvinyl. The recipe I didn't make, but we have enough. So if I put that here, and this one has to be... it's already... Allow insert the same recipe, I think that's fine. And then let's order 1056 capacitors. SMD capacitors. Are you gonna process that? Yes. I guess you mean with the alembic. The essential cells alone make it worth. Essential cells. Oh, 12 types. How much is 1,000 bytes for Essentia? Is that a lot? Like, how much bytes is one Essentia gonna take up? So if I, for example, make 4K versions. Basically, you can craft any item because the Essentia is available in AE2. Yeah. Yeah, this would be so nice, actually. 64K is plenty. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna start this entire thing once I can easily make the 64K. How to... So... I guess the crucible can also be automated. Is there... something like a digital crucible, or like something that can pull Essentia from AE2 into the crucible or something. Should be 8 Essentia points per byte. Oh, that's crazy. Which means one case is 100, yeah, 128 jars. That is... Yep, it's all available. Oh, nice. Okay. I mean... since I wanna make shadow metal, for example. Okay, oh, where did you come from? Once I have my AE2 setup running, I'm gonna also look into the Thaumcraft stuff. If it's not too annoying. Okay, you're already done. Nice. That means next thing, transistors. Tantalum. Done. Gallium is made like so. And the gallium ingots is something that I'm going to do manually for now still. I should have some dust. Yeah, like that. Oil goes in here. These go in here. And then also I can make the resistor that is tantalum carbon dust. And we're out of patterns. Then let's order resistor. We have still let's order 500, 160. That's gonna be definitely enough. And gallium. Let's order the transistors. 430. Nice. That is perfect. I also want, so, though if you completely fill up a cell's type, the total capacity gets halved. Okay, so probably then anyway later on, you wanna define, like you wanna use probably the partitioner to make specified cells. So this steam fuser, that is a machine that I will need all the time. But we only have one interface now. So I'm gonna I don't have patterns. Cool. Okay, let's make the fine red alloy wire and also the electrum. And let's see then copper. Then we need a lot of redstone. Doesn't fit all. What else? CPUs and RAM. CPU O, RAM O, wafers. Okay. We need a diamond lens. Where's the green sapphire? I think was for the RAM. Yeah. This one can stay in here, but we need the diamond lens. And then we're gonna make, let's say, 10 wafers RAM, 10 wafers CPUs. Maybe the lubricant is not gonna be enough. Then blue alloy bolts. That was silver and electrotite, I think. But the machine is busy here. What's the electrum? Okay, find electrum wire. We need 588. No, 488. Then soldering. Did I still have some? Oh, and we need quite a lot of plastic circuit boards. Yeah, that's something that's gonna take a while. We need polyethylene sheets. Polyethylene. Actually, there's a better way to get these. With okay, so the polyvinyl chloride is making twice the amount. But I just turned the entire amount of polyvinyl chloride I had into the thin sheets. So let's see. I would need around how many? Like 150, let's say. So polyvinyl chloride. I need 19. That is not that expensive, actually. Looks expensive, but it's not. Then a lot more oxygen. Hydrochloric acid I also have. Just need to get the oxygen from the nitrogen production here. Another 8,000. And ethylene from distillation here. Probably that's acetone. Here, 4 million ethylene. Easy. So that was again circuit 2 first. Oh, there was still some oxygen here. So we can just put this and that. That will give a lot of water. Plus that. And circuit 9. Raw silicon. Oh, no, that was not needed here. Just the vinyl chloride. And a bunch of oxygen. No valid recipe found. No, no. Okay, that's gonna be the sheets. Then what we need a lot of next is sulfuric acid. I think I've actually added that into here. Let's change this recipe here to use that instead. No. Oh, what was that? No. We need again a lot of oxygen, water, and sulfur dust. Can't wait for the universal chem reactor setup. 24. Sulfur. Water. Oxygen. Oxygen. Wood. And getting some sulfuric acid. And we need actually a ton of copper foil, which is nice to make now with the bending machine. And this one, I'm actually gonna use... Ah, damn it, we don't have... but here I'm gonna make that to be a bit bigger for the stack size. Oh, just aluminum plates are missing. That should be also bending machine recipe. Stainless steel plates, aluminum plates. Oh, that is so fast. That is insane. That is actually so fast. Best EV multi-block bending machine. So you go here. Then What is missing here? Oxygen, I guess. Yeah, now the sulfur is all processed. That means copper foil, not polyethylene sheets. Actually, polyvinyl chloride sheets. And sulfuric acid. Here's more polyvinyl chloride. Okay, but that's it. So that's already 20 plastic circuit boards, but I need to make way more. We need 400 for that and another 1300. So if I make 2000, let's go. Oh, nice. I guess that's the LV output bus. Maximum output amount. Why not enough item output space? I mean, then don't try to make all. Oh, that's already done. Wait, then I have so much. Wait a minute. I have now 244. Okay, no, that's enough for the circuits. But iron chloride is definitely not enough. And for that, we need a lot of chlorine, which we have. Nice. Plus this hydrochloric acid. Hydrogen I have as well here. So let's get started with this amount. Circuit 1. And then we need some iron dust. How much? Just one stack is enough. Hydrochloric acid. And then how much more? So I guess around like 90. Wait, what? I'm out of cells. Then we need to use the small ones. First of all, let's use up the hydrochloric acid to get more empty cells. Ah, the hydrogen. I will just get back the hydrogen this way. Nice. Right. That was a looping thing. Okay. That's that. Hydrogen. and the hydrochloric, the iron 3 chloride. Let's make more hydrochloric acid. And combine it with iron. Universal chem reactor. Next big step. That's gonna be so much less pain. Oh, no, there's some oxygen in here. And that means how much iron? Yeah, it's, I think exactly, it's gonna be 0, nice. Plus that hydrogen and 61,000, is that? Yes, that's enough. That means these go in here now. Plus this. And copper foil again. Good. Right, we need copper foil a lot. It's definitely way faster anyway, since before I used LV machines for making these. So it's a bit manual right now to do all of that, but had to wait for hours to get these done before. Okay, just put these in here. The first thing we need to make are these MV1s. So that means we need to take plastic. Oh no, we don't have 128 yet. 2 stacks. Then CPUs. Let's actually check on the... I knew it. Not enough lubricant. Should have checked that before. Reuse, no, So we need that. Then this old creosote tank. Oh, TBM Striker, actually, thanks for the follow. I saw this right now in my feed here. Let's... Oh, that is a good amount here. Let's get the hydrochloric acid out of here. And then replace that. Okay, and then little creosote on circuit 24. Good. What we will need next, though, here is not the RAM wafers. NAND. Oh no. Wait, what? Oh, I used the ender pearl lens. Wait, where's my diamond lens? I didn't even make any CPU wafers. Still in here, damn it. Well, but I think the NAND, the NAND wafers were also some quest, which I didn't do yet. Okay, but first though, make some CPU wafers. Okay, good. Then we need 512 of each. I guess these are all done. SMD, yeah, that's perfect. What about the red alloy wire? That is not enough for the entire processing chain. Let's make some more. Also, we need more copper again. Then, right, and the blue alloy. So that is 4 stacks plus silver. Okay. Was that enough? 128 actually, yeah. Exactly 2 stacks. Next, SMD resistors. Wait, 512, that is also 8. Then 8 stacks capacitors. I have, that's just, I can use 1 stack of this. Let's bring that over there already. And then you go here. Oh, I can't even put the red alloy. That's not good. Let's put that like so for now. Then once this one is done, just need to change the no, actually change this one. And then let's see. That's gonna take a while. But we also need interfaces again. So this one is done. Automated, automated, automated. Next thing is a mixer circuit. This is with the dual energy hedge. So same as the autoclave. Wait, autoclave is here. And I don't have the dual energy hedge yet. Let's make like 4 dual energy hedges. If I still have some fluid processors left. Yeah, actually I can make 10. I think with that I can make 5 dual interfaces. Wait, where's the... Did I not add that here? But anyway, these can also be gone. Let's make 5. And for that I need, first of all, 5 normal interfaces. I don't have the... So how many cores? 2 of these. Okay, 1 of... Let's make that. And that. And then... Okay, now... Do I have any more? Yes, and here as well. Here's also copper foil. Need to not forget to change this back always now. Circuit 3. Here's some PTFE. Very good. And then upgrade them. Do I have how many lapis? Yeah, I knew it. Not enough. Actually need to make the proper pattern setup for this one as well. And iron plates. Got them. Good. Plus the fluid processors. Hey, Sikum Wake. What is that? Sikum. And thanks for the follow. You're also playing GTNH? Nice, we got dual interfaces now. So that means this one. Wait, so first of all, the autoclave needs to have a dual interface. Yep, sure am. I'm about the end of EV. Oh, so you're ahead of me. You went probably to Mars and everything. Did tungsten steel. You have the flatline set up? Okay. This one here is just for the flux dust. Yeah. 130 hours of playtime so far. Okay, you keep rushing. You keep actually rushing through this pack. That's crazy. But I guess you probably played. You had some runs before that. This is the first big mod pack I do actually. That's crazy. Probably like if you actually take this mod pack very serious from the beginning and plan everything ahead and you're a good planner, then yeah, you can do that in 130 hours. End of EV. So I need to wait, so what did I just do? I need a water supply. What was there was, I think, the water cell, right? In A2. Infinite water. Well. I should probably do AE, but like that's way too complex for me, to be honest. Wait. Are you sure you're playing GTNH and you're end of EV and you play without AE2? And you reach that in 130 hours? Are you sure you're playing GTNH? Then you, like, how? I think it's, like, if you're not starting AE2 by now, I think it's impossible to continue IV and beyond. Yeah, you can do EV without A2, but it's going to be very hard, yeah. This this pack is like orientated around building an A2 system. I forgot what I... So, right, yeah, I need some cable. And more patterns. And I need first of all, what I need is the fluid terminals. I think it was just the fluid terminal. And then also the fluid pattern terminal. Wait, niobium titanium. That does not sound like something. HV. TPV coils. TPV coils. Okay. Can't use the dual interface yet. Damn it. Okay. That is fine. That is fine. Then these items I'm gonna make manually. It's oriented around automation. A2 is the mod that makes that possible. Yeah. Got a Grandmaster Magic Energy Absorber for AE Energy, but never got around to... that's the one with the Dragon Egg, right? You put the Dragon Egg and then you have the 1 amp of EV power or something. I need more copper in here. Yeah, okay. I built a nuclear reactor for my AE system, but yeah, this one would be like even less maintenance. So then, next step is to automate stuff in the clean room. We need laser engravers. We need EV circuit assembler. And of course first of all, the EV diode to get power in here. And the wireless AE2 connector. So, first of all, let's make the wireless thing, since the EV machines, I'm still waiting for the circuits to craft. Wireless connector. That is... I think that's not that expensive. And the eye plates, I guess that's something I have to make. Oh! And a pearl plate, damn it. Let's make a block of ender eye then. and cut that. But I guess if you end of EV, you can actually make everything for AE2. Like, you probably also have TPV coils. But how are you making platinum, like, without AE2? Like, did you actually make the plat line using GT pipes and IO conduits? To be fair, I like AE, but needing to make stuff for it is the bad part. Never was able to figure out how to use it well, so I just ended up making a disaster every time I tried in other packs. I think starting out you can just build whatever, but then later on you need to know stuff about P2P, subchannels, and these kind of things. But right now you can just build a simple controller, put some dense cables on it, connect the machines up, interfaces, and let's go. That's already gonna, like, if you reach this point in 130 hours, you're gonna go even more crazy once you have AE2 running. Oh, I need to make end-eye. That's in a lathe. I should have, yeah, here. Can I make these? Yeah. Nice. Can I make Certus quartz plate and quartz fiber? Okay, that's done. Then wireless connector. Nice. Perfect. Then we want some. No, we need a specific tool. We need the wireless setup kit. Oh, that requires again. Ah, damn it! I need to make the entire stuff again. Should have checked that before. Blaze. Alright, I need to make more patterns to set this up. I think Aki's mind is a bit blown. Yeah, 130 euros. Like, I'm now at. I mean, I'm not really rushing anything. Like, I'm time actively playing, not AFK, is 358 hours. I'm also kind of experimenting with stuff and like not really rushing, but like I'm still planning ahead and have a bit more knowledge than my first run. But yeah, 130 hours. But maybe that's I don't know what the crazy pros doing, the speedrunners, what times they reach to get end of EV. Oh, this one is just missing one glowstone plate. Oh. Glowstone supply, very low. Yes, the Ender. Eye of Ender is done. Make plates. I'm at 860. That sounds like a good number for GTNH in LUV. I haven't been myself to LUV, but I guess 860 is probably some time I'm gonna have around that time, around that LUV age. Status. That's with netherite lane done too. Oh, I think that's something new, right? In this thing here, that's new, right? In 2.8. How it was a monster, like how much more difficult is it than Bloodline? Wait, what's missing? Ah, I requested tools. 10x more? What? Looks harmless, but it goes deep. Okay. Ah. I mean, that's actually the good part about GTNH, like that things take longer, are more complex to automate. Okay. Oh my god, that would. Let's put this one just here on top. That's fine for now. And we want that to be over here. What's missing here? Oh, I forgot one capacitor stack. How much power are we drawing now? Okay, yeah, now we actually drawing 500. Like 1 amp of HV constantly. After this one. It is what it is. Has to be. Has to be done. Then, next step, AV diode. EV diode. EV diode. 4x aluminium cables. Any 2 or how many? 2. I think I didn't have any rubber anymore. Could I use silicone rubber? Yeah. Ah, cool. Then, wait, why am I planning to make 2 of these? Okay, good. Cable diode, 4 amp EV. Then we need some more black steel cables. Is this one done? Okay. Now we are going to replace We're going to replace this one here, this block. That's the cable diode. You should be... Yeah, now you have to start again from 0. Wait, I connected these wrong. Anyway, it's never gonna reach the 16 amps. I still put the 4x cable here in case I'm gonna put a second diode. Okay. Then same setup as on the other side here. And we will put a lot of lasers. Laser engraver. Okay, actually, no, it's fine. Then I would have need more HV energy hedges to upgrade this multi-block here, but it's fine for now. Anyway, first I have to make the machines. Actually, I could leave these in here for the... Yeah, I will leave these in here for now. And I will also leave the advanced circuit assembler 2 in here for example for the NAND chips and LV chips. That's completely fine from the speed. Just the other ones I will put on the EV line. And also all the processes, laser engraving processes required for AE2 components. Like, where is it? Like the engraved Lapotron chips, for example. This one, so that's the sapphire lens. Sapphire lens need to be EV. The diamond lens need to be EV. Since I also need I need an LCR in here actually, an EV LCR, to get these nano CPU wafers. I think that was here, right? Nano CPU wafers, yeah. That's but that's for later. So 2 laser engravers. One I have already. Then I can put 2 other lenses. No, one more lens in here of these. Right now, I can't think about any other wafers I need to make the EV machine. The EV machines. So yeah, I will make one more laser engraver EV and bring the other one also over here. That's this one here. Oh, ruby lens. Right, this one as well. That is for the redstone chipset. This one also needs an EV. An EV laser engraver, just to speed it up. One. Right, I need to get some platinum, I think, smelted. Two of these. None of these. Yeah, 8 platinum rods. Right now this is actually turned off. Need to turn this back on. Will the circuit matter for this one? Circuit 1 has to be, okay. How much benzene? This is still not that good. We need TPV coil upgrades so I can use these nichrome coils on the pyrolyze ovens. So cables can go back. Interfaces. We need to make 4 total I need. Ah, damn it. I mean, we can start with 3 for the lasers and use we can use the HV circuit assembler for now for everything. I want to at least automate circuits today. Oh, then wait, anyway, I need one more. Okay. Let's make 4 more. That's a good amount. Also need to put one on the cutter as well. Right now we need RAM. We need CPUs. A Lapotron crystal thing. A glowstone plate, I think. I need to go through the quest and get the rewards. One of these had the glowstone plates, so let's quickly get that. Six more patterns, nice. Can we make a Lapotron crystal automation? That's circuit 2, but we have set this one now to circuit. This doesn't matter anyway, since I cannot really utilize the dual hatch yet. So let's make this one circuit 2. that is also good for stainless steel and other things. Let's move this. Wait, which one is it? Yeah, it's going up. The dusts should go in here. Then we're gonna make Lepton dust like that. Energium dust like that. I need to pick some ruby from here, some redstone. I need to actually connect this storage bus, which I already put on top of that. But later. Here, smart blocking mode. Yeah. And actually here as well. Let's see, can we make some Labotron rust? Good. That seems to be working. Next step is... Ah, right, that's why I wanted to have the dual energy hedge. Because that's not possible to make right now. That is... Okay. Anyway. What is the clean room doing? Is it now clean? It is not. It takes still some time. But let's put this one already here. Does this one require the clean room? No, actually not. But never mind. Oh, wait. That. No. Item auto output. Lens. Then we need... Actually, we don't need to waste some dense cables. Okay. Then redstone plates. Okay, so this one... No, not that. Redstone in the compressor. This one in the cutting machine. This one in the laser engraver. Okay. Compress, cut, laser engraving. Nice. Then next step after that is combining that with gold plates in a forming press, which we also have. And then this one needs to combine with the engraved gold chip, but that is a recipe for the other laser engraver here. Forming this one then here. But we need to make more patterns. Oh wait, I don't have that recipe yet. Glowstone plates. We don't have glowstone. Let's check on the 51%. Okay. How about... Wait, is this area even chunk loaded? Oh. Good. Like that. Let's go to the nether and get some glowstone. I guess probably flying around here in this area is good. Where? Nothing easy to reach. No, damn it. One. Yes. Okay. I think that's a good amount to make some patterns. Here's more. No. Can I get some? No. Okay. What's happening? So. Glowstone. Then we need... Is the glowstone plate automated? No. Let's make... patterns to make... Oh, we need to make the molecular assembler. Which requires EV assemblers, so EV circuits. Then not yet. But we can make more patterns. Let's start by glowstone in the compressor, and then this one and the cutting machine. And then let's get some aluminium. We need some aluminium plates as well. That is here. That's the next recipe to encode. Oh no. Oh, and then, right, we need to connect the, let's connect the alloy smelter. Aluminium plates. What? Like so. This one I could have probably also increased the pattern size, but it's fine. And let's put that pattern in here for a sec. We need to I guess I can just put a normal cable from here to here. Oh, blue alloy ingots. That was important for the bolts. So let's take this one. Yeah. What's actually the platinum here? Platinum nuggets. Ingot mold. Eight ingots, that's definitely enough to make the rods for the laser engravers. So, two interfaces. Connected like so, and then just bring the normal cable over there. Quickly connect that up. Ah. Next recipe. Oh no, this one was the dual interface. We need flux, dust, and the quartz fiber. Okay. Then here, pattern. Alright, the quartz glass, for example, is one of the first. Certus quartz and glass. Both I need to automate. Actually, do that. The advanced arc furnace over here. Just need some oxygen. Then you're cooking. That means platinum should be in here. Yes, and the quartz glass as well. So, oh, I still had some patterns. Do this. This one is done. Sand in the arc furnace. That should be... Oh, here's an interface missing. That is all components automated, right? Except the... Oh, I should have just used the normal Certus quartz. I was wasting so much of the purified. Okay. And that means... Did I make the... Oh, that's in a oh no, that's in a forming press. Items, circuit. I did not. Okay, but anyway, the engraved gold chip is not yet automated. And these I also can't automate since I can't use. I need to make TPV coils. I'm gonna upgrade one of these with TPV. I'm not gonna upgrade all of them. I need these TPV coils as soon as possible. That means if I make 16, I need 500. No, that was with the... That was with the flatline recipe. If I use the normal recipe, the one from the EBF. Oh, come on, where's nuggets? Where's ingots? Huh? Okay. Let's say we're gonna do this. And we are not gonna make the platinum dust like that. Like this. Then we need 513 nuggets. That means 771. Do I have... Oh, I have that. Let's go. We need TPV coils. It is what it is. Before that. So I want this for niobium, titanium. Okay, HV is fine. Don't need EV. Oh, but anyway, I have EV. Or in here. Or in here. Needs to run for a while now. But yeah, that's gonna solve so many problems. The dual interface edges. Then we can really start automating everything. Are you done? Yes. Circuit page. Right. Oh, I think I forgot about the inductors. Yeah, 32. This is another recipe then. We need to make that with tantalum wire. And the neodymium ring, I should have, yeah, I have a lot of these. So, inductor, we need 256. We have 32. So let's make 230. Also SMD diodes. Ah, right, that was with the fine platinum wire. So I can make only these here. Circuit 4. That's annoying. Why is this one? Ah, but the SMD one's is circuit 3, okay. Then I have to wait for the SMD ones to have the proper automation set up. Okay, but we need... Oh, where are the rest of the plastic circuit boards? Okay, good. A stack of these. Then inductors. 4 stacks. RAM. 4 stacks. Capacitors. 8. Red alloy wire. Another 8. And probably... Ah, did I already bring the... I guess I already brought the soldering alloy. How much is in here? 11K? I think that's not enough. Yeah. This. This. And the rest goes in here. So we need soldering alloy that is antimony dust with tin ingots. I think I'm gonna change this to tin dust later on anyway. Can you make some soldering? Yes. You can do this. It should be inserting the... Okay, whatever. But that is that. Then we need to make some diodes manually. So gallium, anything in here? No. We need to make some dust. And 32 fine tantalum wire. Let's make some more diodes then. So I don't need to change that machine always back to circuit 4. So we're gonna make 4 times the amount. That means tantalum wire, we need 128 of that. Okay, you're processing and you're processing. Ah, now it's making all. Good. Circuit 4. Make some diodes. Soldering, alloying it. Okay. But that is actually it. I just need to wait for the HV circuits to be done. Yeah, and the rest of the resources I have. Then we can start with the other EV machines. Hey, Stardust. Today has been just various AE2 automation, and big thing is industrial material press, bending machine and forming press for the AE2 components. New multi, yes, nice. And this one is insane. It's so fast. I'm not even running this on EV power. It is crazy. The speed this can process plates. It's so nice. And right now I'm smelting all of my platinum metallic powder to make one set of TPV coils for my EBF, since I need niobium titanium to build a fluid pattern terminal, so I can use dual interfaces on my assemblers and other machines to craft with fluids. Crafting. And I'm also making half a stack of EV circuits right now to make more EV machines. Laser engravers. And I need to wait now here. So let's charge this helmet. I'm gonna get something to drink. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. Power fails? What? Okay. Wait, what? Power fails? Nah. Right. Waiting for circuits to craft. After that. So, I need to make as well for these coils, I think some titanium dust. Ah, right, I need an EV mixer. That's, so we need to wait anyway for the EV circuits. And titanium dust, that means shred these. Then we need nichrome ingots. That's probably not something I have right now. Oh, 2x nichrome wires, I think. I can smelt probably. Wait, this should turn into the amount I need. Yeah, nice. Oh, and I also need helium actually to cook these. I can use circuit 1. But that takes... Oh, that takes so long. Oh my... And with helium... Okay. That means... Let's take this one here for a sec. I have an idea. We're gonna bring this to here. And collect some helium from the endstone dust processing. That means anyway we need to turn back on one of the gas turbines. But I think it was fine to run these with 3 liters per tick. Are you already starting again? This one is running again. Okay. Flatline. Yeah, this is my flatline. This right now this is my flatline. I was gonna make the first start of the flatline with manually on my LCR, but nah, it's fine. I just need one set of TPV coils. That's all. Let's make some ingots. Or I can actually macerate these nuggets and make the dust directly. Yeah. Oh, don't power fail. How much power does it take? Okay, good. That's the titanium dust. We also need vanadium dust, I think. I've got that somewhere. Vanadium dust. Oh, no, it was in here. Okay. For 19. But anyway, you need to have an EV mixer. There was a power fail. But I know where it was. It was probably up here. And this one is making 777. And you're drawing 640. So you should be fine. Sometimes this one is going to turn on. But you should still be filling up. Increase to 4. Then be safe. Bigger draw wall. Yes. I'm gonna increase the size of this one. And I have the storage bus already on top to put the other dust also in there. So many things I wanna do. $59 platinum dust. Perfect. And the DP, the nichrome juice. Atomic, oh no, that's good. That, oh, some copper, nice. I hope you are done. Yes, 64. Nice. That means we need to get, let's put these in the system. What else was it? Circuit boards. We need 4 stacks. Diodes, 2 stacks. Oh right, I need to change this one back to circuit 3 before I forget that. And electron wire, all of it. And the blue alloy bolt I already have. Hopefully, next time I need to make circuits, I'm gonna make them requesting it with the AE2 system. Away. Oh yeah, diodes. Okay, let's make the mixer first. But anyway, I guess... okay, helium is increasing good amount, but I need to wait anyway until I have around 120,000 in there before I can start the TPV processing. So, first thing I'm gonna make. Not yet the mixer. Actually, the fluid extractor also not yet. Let's make the other 2 precision laser engravers. Platinum rods. Not with the lathe. Wait, which way are you outputting? Oh, do this before I have a hatch connected interface. So you need to make 9 electric motors. Okay. Then we need 5 pistons. We need a conveyor. I think actually conveyor is the head. Yeah, damn it. That's the disadvantage of not having the NEI auto crafting. And platinum rods. Wait, why is it trying to make a sensor? Wow, they take a lot of EV circuits. But this one, that one was supposed to be the diamond lens, I think. Interface. Cable. Diamond lens. Then connect. Item auto output. Let's order a engraved gold chip to see if that works. Yes, perfect. Ah, right, I forgot to bring more circuits. And then the last one. Remove that for now. This one, I don't have any patterns yet for. But I think it was the Lapotron thing. Which is anyway not gonna work yet, since I don't have a dual interface hatch to process the Lapotronic dust on the autoclave. Let's work on the assembler then. I need to make 2, I think. No, 1 per molecular assembler. These are quite expensive. I actually have everything except the robot arm. Nice. And then like that. And have one of these. And then we need some interfaces. Nothing anymore. But that's gonna change. With one of these we can start some auto crafting. Wait, where was the face? Okay, enough. Just one is required for the beginning. Just gonna put them here on the other side for now. So let's just do it like that. And then put some around these, fill them up with the basic recipes like the formation cores, not formation cores, the annihilation cores. Oh no, formation cores and annihilation cores. So this one. Did I automate the nether? Yes, quartz rod. Logic processors are also automated. Ah no, they are not. What was this one? That was water with... Yeah. Also dual interface thingy. Anyway. Let's do that. ME glass cable. That is done like that. Patterns. Pattern is very important. To not use this, but that. Oh. Well, that's fine. Just make one more to now autocraft them. So this one was assembler, the rest was autocrafting. So let's connect this one here actually. Even this a dual one, I'm not gonna use that for fluid crafting right now. Okay, item auto output. Let's go. Put these in here. Yes. All right. And this one here actually also needs to do that. Then, patterns. Can you make 10 patterns? Yes. Oh my, let's go. Got to go, sadly. School is calling. But no, not the Greg school. Unfortunately. I look forward to getting... Ah, right, you getting into what the hell you're doing. You haven't been this far yet. It's fun. This is like... It feels like to be finally freed. Like, once you request the first patterns, you're like, you feel like you've made it. You actually achieved something big. Nope, no moon yet. Even if you reach the moon, like, even after that, it's gonna take a while. Still gonna take a while after that. Okay, but I think that is all for now that I can automate without dual energy hatches. Let's request an interface. What's missing there? Alright, the quartz fiber. So that the best thing to use for that is the charged Certus quartz, but actually let's use this one in the wire mill. Alright, see you next time. Have fun at school. EV machine casings. Right. We need more of the advanced assembling machines with other circuits. We have circuit 1 over here. No, circuit 24. But we need circuit 1 and circuit 8. Circuit 4 as well. That means let's craft more. There was just a thunder, right? Oh no. It is clear weather. And I heard an explosion noise. It's not the nuclear reactor. Otherwise, we would be gone. But what did explode then? That's weird. Anything in here? No. Maybe some monster died and that exploded, I guess. Anyway. First of all, mixer actually. Since I want to make the TPV ingots, we need titanium rods. And I should actually... So how much oxygen? Let's disconnect that. Take this away. And use some iron dust to get rid of the oxygen, basically. Should be very fast like that. Then we're gonna get the helium. Okay, that's empty. You still have some oxygen. Let's wait until you're completely empty. We need a motor. We need to make the mixer. Good. This one goes on top of here. And for now, it's not going to be connected yet. We just need to make circuit 1 TPV alloy. Okay, you're still 600. Oh, what are these numbers? Why? Okay. Now you should be filling with helium. Yes. And the iron dust can go back. Then the TPV on circuit 11. Yeah. Let's cook it. And even with that, it's gonna take 2 minutes per ingot. And 2 minutes per ingot for 128 ingots. That's too long for today. So we're not gonna finish that. What else we can now still... This one, done. Just 14. I mean... Okay, what do we need to do to now get to a point where I can request circuits? Focus over. Interface. Let's make one more. Nice, that's so far everything working. And what we want is to connect that to the circuit assembler here. Alright. This one very important. Do not push. And connect that with some cables. Ah, damn it. One more, that's good. So first thing are the MV circuits. The recipe we are using is the one. Ah, okay. Plastic circuit boards and CPUs. And why? Ah, that's annoying. Why does it not recognize that I have recipes for the SMDs? Or is that actually fine? Can I? Oh no, I can switch it like that. Is it making one or two? No, one, okay. That's that. Then next one. Am I making red alloy ingots? No, not yet. Okay, but I can just add that recipe. You are, yeah, this one. Okay. And then the EV. then just sometimes some of the resources I need to supply manually. But the rest should be just automatically made. So if I put these in here, let's say, for example, that we're gonna request 20 EV circuits. So red alloy ingots, CPUs, plastic circuit boards. Plastic circuit boards, something manual right now. Red alloy ingots is something that we can add to the and I should actually no wait. No, if it's gonna request more with this blocking mode, it's gonna just put everything in here and then use the amount of parallels it can. Blue alloy ingots is something as well I need to add. That is both with dusts. This helium one is empty, so you go back up the helium factory. Get the helium out of these machines, and then bring it back down to the ABF. Okay, empty. Oh, don't throw that. Okay. The other things are, let's get another interface. Let's actually get 3. Can't do that. Then titanium plates. Quickly change this to circuit 8. And some more cables. We need to make CPU wafers by doing that. And RAM wafers. I guess that's it for now. Also cut them like these as well. Alright, you need lubricant anyway. So, like that. That green sapphire one was for the RAM. Any... Oh no, the other ones here I don't need yet right now. That's the cut versions. Here is the RAM. And you diamond CPU. Alright. That's these machines hooked up to the ME system. So let's get the lubricant in there. This one goes in here. Alright. Of course, these will be replaced at some point with dual interfaces that get that take the lubricant from the fluid storage. Okay. 18. You should be processing. Yeah. Okay, but that's gonna take a while now. And circuits can be requested, except of course for some minor problems that still need to be solved. Yeah, I think that's ah no, I forgot to I hope this one... Wait, am I making more? Anyway, I had some more platinum powder. Should be fine. Right. Okay, 3 per... But I'm making 133 with this and I need 128. So a loss of 1 is gonna be fine. But not more. We should be keeping the rest. Okay, that should be fine for now. Actually, 1 sec. Just do it like that. And then we have a bit more buffer. Okay, I will let this run in the background until the next stream. to have the TPV coils ready. Probably I will just process these already. This is just gonna take some time. It's not gonna be complicated. And I will have these 16 coils ready and then continue next episode. The thing is, why we are making these again was for not the fluid terminal, but the... Wait, was it this one? No. Okay, but there's the fluid pattern terminal. This one here, fluid pattern terminal, for the which is required for the to work with the dual interfaces. And for that we need niobium titanium, which can only be made with TPV coils. Niobium titanium itself is easy to make. I have niobium titanium. That's why waiting for TPV coils. Okay. Thanks for watching. Thanks for all the new follows. And let's see who else is streaming right now. Who else is streaming that we can raid? GTNH. Oh, I found somebody. I'm gonna send you over to all my grundles. So, everybody, thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.